Radio silence, not a word from the PNP president since a crushing defeat at the polls yesterday. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Exit Lounge. People ask whether it's time for Portia Simpson-Miller to go.
And political commentators and party officials respond.
The Breaker. Final results in the St. Catherine division after two candidates get identical votes in a preliminary count.
Market madness, a shooting near Coronation Market downtown.
In the business news, the Broadcasting Commission boss issues a charge to Jamaica.
There is also sports commentary as well as primetime weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Having lost two elections this year, should Portia Simpson-Miller resign as president of the People's National Party?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.